Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Jivesh Edau. I am from NIT Polytechnic from Mechanical final year. And this video presented from project, final year project, fabrication of mini tiller and multi-purpose agriculture machine. And my group member is Rohit Chavriwar, Akshay Sonkuwar, and Ritik Sonkusre and Bhushan Patankar. The background of my project is the Indian economy is 90% from small scale farmer, and they not cannot be afford bull pair and tractors. Uh, we have solution from mini tiller, from less than bull pair price, and multi-purpose agriculture machine, which having they provide the multi-purpose tool and suitable as Indian economy and farming. uh, the project aim is reduce the cost of bull pair and reduce the cost of tractor. We are performing from the project from fabrication of mini tiller and multi-purpose agriculture machine. And next topic is presented by Bhushan Patankar from course outcome.
Thank you, Jivesh. This project is course outcome. Write the specification is requirement exiting system to related to the occupation. This is the collect is the requirement are the project developed to the another specification machine, and assess is the impact of the project in society, and communication as requirement is the group leader is Jivesh this project. Next slide we explain Kritik Sonkusre. Project outcome.
Thank you, Bhushan. My topic is PO's map or project. PO's one basic knowledge. Basic knowledge and ability to apply engineering, mathematics, and science to solve the engineering problem. Discipline knowledge and ability to apply discipline to solve our engineering problem. And PO's 3 experiment and practice, and experiment and practice to apply and plan to perform the experiment and practice for our project in to solve a engineering problem. And POS 4 engineering tools to appreciate and technologies to use engineering tools. And POS 6 environmental and substitutional. The, and these are the use in environment and no effective for environmental. POS 9, POS 8 individual and teamwork to communicate individual and to perform actual working in our project in teamwork. Communication POS 9 communication to communicate effectively. And POS 10 lifelong learning. This project are used lifelong to use in our engineering problem.
My project. The power are the supplied by the engine, which is the four-stroke engine which supply a 7 HP powers. The power from engine is provided to the speed reduction unit through a V weld. From the speed reduction unit, the power is provided to a chain drive, and through a chain drive, the power is given to the axle, and from axle it is given to the wheels, which are the moving the project in the front sides. The last one is the tool of my project, which is the harrowing tool, which make a soil for a seeding,
For a fertility of
of the seeding. The project is handling by a handle, which having a clutch, which run or stop, which used to run or stop the engine, which used to run and stop. The steering are provided with the manual steering, which are easy handling and easy lifting. Now the next I am showing actual working of my project.
come the starting of project and work they are on the fertility of soil from pH level for 3.7 of soil. There we come the soil are fertility and they have soil are climbing and we have successive result of fabrication of mini tiller and multi-purpose agriculture machine. This is a harvesting tool from fertility of soil. Thank you. This is the second tool of I am from project. Project is seeding tool and pluck tool. They are multi-purpose tool from joining this machine. We will make from two tools, harvesting tools and seeding tools and pluck tools. Pluck tools are they are providing from linings of farming. They are the three plugs we mounted from equally direction from same line. They are provided from surface to line from harvesting and fertility of soil. They are the funnel from providing the seeding and they have the seeding from funnel and we make the fertility of soil and seeding we make the dirt. Suppose the soil are seeds we have make from a funnel and to take the funnel and to reverse and forward our machine we have the successive from the seeding and plugging. Thank you. The next topic is presented by Future Scope from Akshay Sonkuar.
I am Akshay Sonkuar. I will explain the future scope of the project. This machine it is the innovationary product for using the small scale of the farmer by using the multi-purpose agriculture tools like cultivator, seed weighing, etc. The other machine which can be the available in the market which has the very large cost. The small scale of the farmer by using this mini tiller machine who do not afford the bull pair which is has the large cost and the large maintenance. The mini tiller which is has the less cost and the less maintenance. The petrol engine which is has the less impact on the environment. Health of the farmer emitting less the carbon particulate. Thank you. Conclusion of the project will be explained by the GVs.
The conclusion of project is the soil are increased in 3.5 inches of the harvesting tool and we including from the ropes are included from the easily to mounted from harvesting tool. They are useful from Indian economy and farming. We have we have the multi-purpose agriculture machine. We have the multi-purpose agriculture machine from Indian society and Indian economy and Indian farming. That why we serve the nation and we reduce the cost of tractor and bull pair and reduce the machine cost from 25,000 from Indian farmer is a small scale farmer. That's why we providing from this project. Thank you. The main body are clamp. Main body are wheel are clamp and pedestal bearing from clamp with nuts and bolts. Thus we have the tight of nuts and wheel with clamp from pedestal bearing. We have project from hanging the tool and supporting from the project. This is a harvesting tool assembled in nuts and bolts. There are the same size of nuts with 6 inches and they have the nut from 6 inches. With clamping from organ tool on main body. We have tights from all nuts with clockwise direction. They are mounted from 3 parts: wheel, horving tool and main body. The main body are assembled from speed reduction unit and handle. We have assembled from speed reduction unit and handle. They have plug with pedestal bearing and nut and bolt. The handle can be mounted from pitch space angle in 70 degree from tight nut and bolt. Thus we have the 5 stone nuts in anti-clockwise direction. We have the fixed in 5th part from handle and speed reduction unit. Type of nuts. We including the 5 numbers of project, 5 numbers of parts with project done are fixed with the body. First part is the wheel, second part is the horving tool, and third part is the speed reduction unit, and fourth part is handle. We successfully mounted from a project. Thus we are assembling from chain to pedestal bearing, from main shaft of engine, speed reduction unit and main axle. Thus we are mounted from sun gear, from fixing the chain, they are the fixed with part of chain with assemble from speed reduction unit and gearbox. We are successfully from assembling from chain drive. Next is mounted from engine top of project. The engine having mounted on two slots. This is a V-belt and we clamp off speed reduction unit and engine with transmitting the power. They have the fixed place, and next term is the height of nuts and bolts. We mount the engine and clamp the nut and bolt and tie. We have successfully assembled from fabrication from Minitilla machine. We have first part is assembled from wheel and second is the tool and third is a speed reduction unit and fourth is the handle and fifth is the main engine. We are successfully assembled from this project. Thank you.